Here we have a 2011 Glastron GT205 single axle trailer. Has a Merc Cruiser 4.3 liter TKS. Ratchet straps built on the trailer. 3-blade prop. Skeg looks good. Little extended swim platform there. We'll go inside here. Does have a full mooring cover and a bimini top. I do have the bimini flipped forward right now. Does have a walk-through transom here. You could flip that up, walk through. The seat comes out of the way. And once you get in, you could flip that down and put the seat cushion back. Nice bench seating in the back. Bolster driver's seat. Rated for 9 passengers. Dual captain's chair. Does not have an hour meter. It does have a depth finder. Tilt steering. Stereo in the glove box. Jensen. Snapping carpet. Does have a ski locker, a little cooler. Come check this one out at SkipperBud's.